Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your photo for free using InShot photo editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed this InShot editor app on your mobile phone. You can get it from Play Store if you are Android user. Meanwhile, if you are iOS user, you can download it from Apple Store. Okay, and we're going to open up this app and we can go to the photo menu here and you can choose new. All right, and choose a photo you want to remove unwanted object from. For instance, I'm going to remove unwanted object from this photo. Okay, this one guys. And then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find this remove menu like this. And here you will have two options. Either you want to choose basic or advanced. But if you want to choose advanced, you need to subscribe to InShot because it's not free. But wait, I'm gonna try. We can try once for free guys, and we can use the AI feature as well. We only have one chance to choose to use this feature. Okay, and I'm just going to choose basic because it's free. And for example, I'm going to remove this object. We can draw on the object we want to remove and just wait for a moment, and the InShot will remove the object from your photo. As you can see, this is the result, but I think it's not completely removed, so I'm gonna try it again. Okay, alright, and as you can see guys, that the unwanted object has been removed completely from my photo. And then I'm going to try to remove another object. I'm going to try to remove this one. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, and as you can see that the result is clear, but I know that maybe this feature will not work on all of the types of the photos, especially when the background of the photo is not clear. Maybe it will be a little difficult to remove the unwanted object. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our photo using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.